Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, is brought to you by Rockauto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. And by Campbell's Custom Care, your detail specialist.
Hey Motorheads, welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. Now if you've got a pickup truck like this F-150, you're probably doing some yard work and some things around the house. It's putting up with a beating and you want to protect your truck. And of course you can do that with a bed liner, and the place to go is a familiar name, Gorilla. Now Clint, why should I turn to the Gorilla bed liner system?
Just like all the other products that we make, it's built to do, it's built for the toughest jobs on planet Earth.
And it is tough. What kind of beating is this going to stand up to?
It's extremely durable. It is going to be scratch resistant, corrosion resistant, and fade resistant.
It's going to protect the bed for a long time, and it's going to keep that black look. It's not going to fade like a lot of others do in the sun, too. There are a lot of professionals out there doing this. How does this compare to a professional looking bed liner?
Well, the nice thing about it is DIY. It's something that anybody could use and anybody could do.
What's the prep process like once you get ready for it? First of all, I can apply it directly to the metal in the truck bed.
Yes.
Okay, so then what do I need to do to prep the truck to get it ready for the
All you would need to do is you would need to clean all the debris. You would scuff the bed really quickly with a 80 grit to 180 grit sandpaper. Clean it out and apply it. It can be applied with the roller and tray system, or aerosol.
And you get that nice texture with the roller. Do you get that same texture out of the can as well?
The roller is much easier to use. It has a nice open cell roller, specifically designed for Gorilla, bed liners.
It gives you the texture, and that roller, I know a lot of rollers, the nap kind of peels off and you get that crud in the paint or in the whatever you're putting on.
Yes, this roller is actually, it has solvent in this product. It does not degrade the roller as other rollers will. We don't want anything to where it's going to have particles come out of it. This roller is the best one.
And then of course you have the spray can there. That's another way to apply this. Is that essentially the same product?
Exactly the same product.
And they both apply an even finish, so if and it's only one step, so if I put part of it on Saturday and that's all the time I have, can I do the rest the next day?
You can go right back and finish the job. You don't have to do it all in one day.
How big of a bed can I do with like one of the tins there?
With one tin, you can do a 6-foot truck bed.
All right, and then the spray, I see you have an undercoating as well, so it's not just for the truck bed.
Yes. The undercoating works really great for under the vehicle, as well as your fender flares or inside your fender wells. Anywhere that doesn't necessarily need UV protectant, this is going to be your best bet. For jobs that are smaller jobs, smaller scratches within the bed and stuff, the truck bed coating and the aerosol is a perfect fit.
That's all available now, and then coming up here in stores, folks are going to be able to get the truck bed liner. How is this different from the truck bed coating?
This is a two-part system, and when we say two-part, it's going to give you more of a 10 times the durability. It actually has a hardener that mixes with the bed liner itself and creates a very high UV protectant, as well as better scratch resistant.
And I know that gives you a 10 times stronger bed liner than a lot of the others that are out there. What are the ways that we actually apply this thing? How's it different?
This would be can be applied the same way as the one part with the roller, with the special roller and tray.
And then the spray gun as well is something you can use?
Yes.
And that attaches right to the bottle here, so that makes it nice and handy.
It actually has the threads for this spray gun fit specifically on this container.
Now I know with the truck bed coating, you don't need to wear any special respirator, just a regular kind of a charcoal mask with it. What about the bed liner?
You still need to use it in a well-ventilated area, but a charcoal respirator is fine.
Well, the Gorilla system is incredibly durable, it's UV resistant, and it's going to make your truck look great for a long, long time. You can go to their website and find out why Gorilla products are made for the toughest jobs on planet Earth. That's GorillaBedliner.com. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com. We'll see you in a minute.